of 7 pi over 6. This is a great example of working with inverse trigonometric functions. First, let's understand what we're dealing with. We'll draw the unit circle and mark some key angles. Remember that cosine is the x-coordinate on the unit circle. Now, let's mark 7 pi over 6 on our unit circle. 7 pi over 6 is equal to pi plus pi over 6, which means it's in the second quadrant. At this angle, cosine is negative square root of 3 over 2. Now, let's understand what cosine inverse does. The cosine inverse function, or arccos, only gives values between 0 and pi. This is its principal range. When we have cosine of 7 pi over 6, we get negative square root of 3 over 2. Now, there are two angles in the interval 0 to 2 pi that have this same cosine value, 7 pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. Since cosine inverse only gives values between 0 and pi, and 5 pi over 6 is in this range, the answer must be 5 pi over 6. To verify this, when we take cosine of 7 pi over 6, we get negative square root of 3 over 2. Then, when we take cosine inverse of that value, we get 5 pi over 6, because that's the angle in the principal range that has that cosine value. Remember, when working with inverse trigonometric functions, always consider their principal ranges. For cosine inverse, that's 0 to pi.